Let's head on into Costco and find some new deals and some great deals that they are offering right now. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is still $4.99, but again, they lowered that all the way down to $3.99 around Black Friday. This is what you get right here. You don't get the microphone or the carrying case, and I think something else. Oh, and the wide lens, I think. But everything else, and I'm not filming on that, I'm filming on my actual flip phone right now. But still a great deal. You still get the same batteries right there and right here, as well as the tripod. They do give you this, which mine didn't come with, but I mean, memory cards are so cheap these days. But $4.99 for that. Still a good deal if you want to get the Osmo Pocket 3. Highly recommend that camera. Also, on another fun factor, Arcade One Golden Tee. I mean, who doesn't love Golden Tee? You're looking at $3.99 for a stand-up arcade machine that actually has light-up little things. Oh, it says free play, so you can't even put coins in there. Oh, it's fake, but it kind of looks like that. Obviously, it's not like it's kind of, you know, I mean, it's like an arcade game, but it's a little bit more flimsier made than your actual, like, really expensive ones. But if you had like that in your basement, that'd be pretty cool. All right, really another good find here. $4.99 to 30-inch is the only problem, but absolutely beautiful white oak on top of quartz marble. As we see here, this is again this solid quartz marble right here. You got a little dip down station here for all your goodies, and then a double door here. And then there's your backsplash there for an actual backsplash. And those are soft closing as well. A little bit pricey, but that actually is a really good quality. That's better quality than my OVO, I think I paid. I think I got it at Costco as well. I think mine's a 30 to 36 inch. All right, yeah, mine's a little bit larger than this, I'm pretty sure. But for a 30-incher in a nice little guest bathroom, not bad. Another little good find here. Let's go ahead and cruise down the row here. These are new pieces that they've gotten in over the last month or so. That's a little bit too pricey in my personal opinion. $700 for that. But this is a new piece by Bayside Wallen. You got an entertainment center over here for your television, but look at this thing. This thing looks interesting. Definitely a little chic and modern. You're looking at $469.99. And let's go ahead and take a little peek-a-rooney here at this. This actually is pretty nice, actually. I kind of like the definitely more higher end than your IKEA, and soft closes on those as well. I kind of like the print of that with a nice little black metal little round here. And let's go ahead and open it up here. So this would be a really good size. Yeah, that actually is a really good price, $469.99. And that is going to give you, like, you can even put clothes in there. You can put towels. I mean, that would be for like your bedroom, maybe next to your bed, and like a wall. You could even put a TV on that bad boy if you wanted to. So I love the design pattern here and here. And there's your dimensions there, 72 inches. Right there's your dimensions there. $469.99. That's actually a really nice piece. Again, just showing you some new pieces because I do come to Costco quite often here. This is $69.99 for a floor lamp. It's 72 inches tall by 17 inches wide. You got your little Edison bulbs right here, as well as some nice little kind of dangly wires here. Looking kind of nice for your nice little bedside lamp or in your living room here. And then this is actually really nice. These are a little bit smaller. This is $29.99, and you got 3 of these, and you do have like a little remote control as well. And you can turn them on like this for a nice little cozy little get together here. It does look like it does have a door, obviously, to change the battery. So there is a door that does open up as well. Kind of hard to do that with one hand. And there are 3 sizes, so your tallest one, a middle one, and then a little bit shorter of one here. I'm actually thinking about where I would put this, because that is kind of a nice little vibe to it. Pack of 3, again for only $30. I think that's a pretty good deal. I might snag that. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to set this up at, but I do like it. They actually have them in 2 different colors, the gray finish, which we just looked at right here, and then they have them in the black finish as well. These would go better with my room. I'm thinking when I get a new dresser in there, put like these in like one corner. I think would look really fancy dancy, so I'm gonna grab myself a little set of gray. This is one item that I was thinking about, but doing some research, not worth it in my personal opinion. Solo stove, yes, it does a fantastic job. It's like the name brand of these flameless little fire pits, but I bought mine East Oak on Amazon for like $110 plus tax. This one they want $249.99. Now, one good thing about this particular one is it does come with a top, which I won't bring it down. I think it's strapped on anyway. But when you're done with your fire, it actually has a whole entire top that comes down over it. Mine does not have that. You probably could get something similar to it. Mine is also larger than the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0. Overall, I mean, it's a fantastic product, but my personal one that I bought, again, East Oak off of Amazon, personally, I like it a lot better. Well, I've never had that one, but I mean, for the price, I mean, it's under half price, and I love it. So anyway, great little snag there. Also, this one, if you're looking for a pellet patio heater, $250, and you juice that sucker with its pellets, and then you can get your nice little warmth off of that if you do not want to go with $129.99 propane one right over yonder here. So a little bit more than double the price, or a little under double the price, and you get yourself a little pellet. These little trash cans are an absolute fantastic deal. I got them when they were in the white and top stainless steel. Now they're in the full stainless steel. I personally like the white ones a little bit better. It goes with my bathroom, but they're very small step trash cans. This is the exact same two that I've purchased. Again, I have one in my master bathroom right now, $30, $29.99 for a 2-pack, 6-liter, and absolutely fantastic deal. If you want to go a little bit bigger, Simple Human for $100, but they actually have a Kohler one, I think, for $59.99, which I think looks a little bit better than this Simple Human as well. Here's the Kohler one right here, 47-liter for $59.99. It's on sale. But again, I think it looks a little sharper than the Simple Human. A little bit smaller though, but simple and sweet. Okay, the coolest product I've seen. Oh my goodness, and darn it, it has a Death Star, meaning that it's not going to be restocked. $15.99.99. They probably have it online as well, probably for the same price, but we're looking at 15.5 mile an hour range, 26.7 mile per hour. We have a 4800 watt max power, Gen 2, 15% hill grade, one left, up to 220 pound person for 4'3" up to 6'2". Oh my goodness gracious. I literally am thinking about it, but goodness gracious, that's so cool. Again, Segway Gen 2, looking absolutely fantastic. Goodness gracious. It comes with a gaming kit. So you set this thing up on the ground, and then you go ahead and like plug it into your television or your computer. So it doesn't run off of like PlayStation. It's Windows 7 or above. So you got your like home theater computer setup, and you actually can use this as a race. Oh goodness gracious. This is making it too enjoyable. So this thing comes with the stand-up thing that goes 12.4 miles an hour, the gaming kit, an engine speaker, and the actual body to make it into a go-kart. So you got the go-kart, you got the S-Max stand-up, and then the gaming steering wheel, engine speaker for $1,600. Okay, I'm gonna have to look online. This is just too good. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos like this, and definitely thumbs that video up on your way out. Appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.